an ordinary star, the sun has extremely important influence on our planet. It drives weather, ocean currents, season, and climate. It makes plant life possible through photosynthesis. Not only that, but the sun gives us life. It gives us light, it gives color to our black and white lives. It brightens our mood like sunshine after a dark night, and it makes a rainbow in our lives after heavy rains. It provides light to our universe. Without it, we would not be able to see how beautiful our world is, or the true color of our lives. The moon had been observing the earth close up longer than anyone. It must have witnessed all of the phenomena occurring and all of the acts carried out on this earth. The moon was always with us throughout the years, witnessing our ups and downs, such as when we had no one to talk to about our problems. So we always talk to the moon. The moon is beautiful, isn't it? The phrase we use to describe something beautiful indirectly. But the moon, like our lives, is beautiful from a distance, but has flaws when you get closer to it. The water cycle is important to our human life. Around 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. This water evaporates and gathers into clouds. The clouds precipitation and this water falls to the Earth's surface. Life is like a water cycle. We climb and we fall, but still we do it again and again. We cry when we can't handle the problems anymore, just like a rain, but it gives us a relief and balance to our life. Our atmosphere is like a multi-layered cake. The life-sustaining air we breathe, we see birds, planes, and ever-changing patchwork of clouds. And in some places, air pollution. Further out, our moon glows down on us, and blazing sun hangs in the sky. It's hard to tell where our atmosphere and space begin. The atmosphere of life is to have someone you can rely on, someone you can give everything you have, and someone with whom we can share our life's journey. That becomes the reason for us to become, that we can accept everything without complaining because we are forced to. Someone we see ourselves living happily and feeling free. That's how the atmosphere in my life is. Energy is important to our life and all living organisms. Our energy choices and decision impacts its natural system in ways we may not be aware of it. It is essential that we choose our sources carefully. We humans are not robots. We get tired, which is why we need an energy sources. Perhaps a thing or a person that can become our energy sources. Something or someone that makes us feel alive in this cruel world and motivates us to keep living. Life requires an energy resources, which could be something or someone. They are essential part of a water cycle, provides an important thing between the rain and oceans, plants and animals. Clouds help to go down the temperature of the earth, but sometimes they are reason of the warming up. Clouds helps to cool the earth's and person's temperature, while also warming our hearts, especially if you adore clouds. They act as a monitor for your emotions. When they reach their peak, you will feel compelled to cry like a rain. Human activity and environment have a positive and negative relationship, but it all depends on how it works. The impact of human activity on the environment can have a significant impact on ecosystems, such as climate change and habitat loss. This can have the impact on human life, and vice versa. So if a human activity has a positive impact in our environment, it may also have a positive impact on us humans. Do something good and good will come to you. There are times in life when you feel happiness. Happiness like there's no tomorrow. Happiness that feels like it's full of sunshine and rainbows. But that happiness is only temporary, a fleeting feeling. However, this is always a saying that there is a rainbow after the rain, which means that after temporary happiness, you will also receive long-term happiness in life. Life is like a season, but after that, you will fulfill the happiness that will last a lifetime. Life is like a weather and a climate. Mountains provide for the freshwater needs of more than half of humanity, and they are in effect the water towers of the world. The world's mountains encompass some of the most spectacular landscapes, a great diversity of species and habitat types, and distinctive human communities. Mountains are like obstacles in life. You need to climb up to reach your dream. You can get it that easily. You will encounter so many things in climbing in these mountains, and you have to get through them, climbing up and down until you pass those obstacles and reach the top of the mountain. It was only necessary to be as solid as rock to get through of it and to reach the top. Minerals are naturally occurring substances on Earth. There are minerals in our lives that naturally occur. They have different characteristics, like minerals. They make our lives shine like crystals, and sometimes they make our lives dull. But we are still strong and tough, like minerals. There are beautiful things in our lives, because minerals are special, and our lives are rare in the eyes of other people, because there are times when we only shine when our time has come, like a mineral.